How to fix Outlook not sending emails. So all you have to do is to go here to your settings area, and just for iPhones you can go here to your general and then tap on the iPhone storage and find Outlook there. Here, and just simply offload the application. For Androids, you can clear cache the application to just simply refresh the application and go back and see if you can send emails. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you want to do next is to go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and just simply type Outlook there and make sure that the application is updated, because if it's a newer version, then there is a high possibility that Outlook has this bug that you cannot send emails, or you cannot send emails because you have not updated the application. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you can do next is to uninstall the application and install it again. And basically, that is how you fix Outlook not sending emails. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.